Second topic is all about the remedies of judgment, creditor, and the execution is return and satisfied. So, see, here's the remedies of judgment, creditor, and execution. Execution is earned and satisfied. So, first is the ask for examination of judgment, creditor, section 36. So, what is the examination of judgment creditor? Si judgment creditor yung mag-ask sa korte to order the judgment creditor to appear and mag-examine sila about sa kanilang assets and liabilities. Kaya ikaduha kay examination of creditor and judgment creditor, section 37. So, nga din sa kay si judgment creditor yung mag-ask ang court to order ang third party who's on a money sa judgment creditor na mag-appear and mag-disclose ang kanilang debt. Next kay enforcing attendance. So, si enforcing attendance yan yung mag-enforce ng attendance ng judgment debtor or yung debtor of judgment debtor through various means such as mag-content ng proceedings to ensure compliance with the court order. So, ngini na remedies. So, ngini silang tulo na remedies kay amo yang mutabang sa mga judgment creditors na mag-gather ng information about sa judgment debtor assets at sa potentially recover ng debts.
So, under the Rule 39, Section 36, what is the purpose of examining the judgment debtor?
So, yung purpose ng Rule 39, Section 36 kay sila niyang mag-disclose ng assets and liabilities na then yung judgment creditor yung mag-ask sa court to order the judgment creditor para mag-appear and mag-examine sila about sa kanilang financial situation and assets and liabilities nila. Then, ang isa niyang mutabang sa creditor para ma-identify nila niyang potential sources of payment and potentially recover the debt.
So some